Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen from Jen's House of Six, and today I'll be sharing some really easy and cheap dollar store DIYs for home decor. So stay tuned. The only thing not pictured here is the sponge brush that I also bought from the Dollar Tree in a pack of 6. I really like to use these to apply the epoxy because you can just keep it and use it again, or you could just toss it when it's done. This was such an easy DIY, and you could honestly pick up these things from the thrift store or use any other kind of color palette that you wanted, or maybe something that you had on hand. But I really liked it for like jewelry, or like this, like a catch-all for your glasses and things like that, keys maybe. I'm not sure if you noticed, whenever I was gluing this on, I purchased this candlestick with this two-tone color on it, and I turned it upside down so that the colored part would be on the bottom and show more. So there's more than one way you can do a thing. You could also spray paint it whatever color palette that you wanted. The possibilities are endless.